Hi you guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to Busy Being Jen. I'm here today to tell you about a DIY face scrub, and you probably have what it takes to make it in your house right now. I hope you'll come along with me. Be sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So yes, the world's easiest face and body scrub. And like I said, I'm guessing you have the ingredients in your house and you probably throw this away every day. And what it is coffee grounds. That's it. Coffee ground. Now let me just tell you, not coffee grounds straight out of the bag. They have to be used. So you need to make coffee with it. For one thing, that would end up being kind of an expensive face scrub. But the other thing is that coffee grounds that are not used are going to be too sharp. And so that could damage your skin. Once they've been used and have water go through them, then they've softened up a little bit, but they're still very scrubby. And so you can find recipes online that mix other things in with the coffee grounds, like brown sugar and coconut oil and vanilla extract. I mean, it almost sounds like something you would eat. I bet it would smell amazing. But you don't have to do that. All you need are the coffee grounds. So I'll tell you about the benefits of these in a minute. But like today, this is from a basket that we have a couple of coffee makers. And so there was the kind that has the basket, and when it was finished, I dumped it in here. I'm leaving the top off of it though to allow it to dry, just so that it doesn't get, mold or anything from the moisture being trapped in there. You can also use like the individual cup of coffee things and dump the coffee from that into some kind of a container, or just let it dry first and then dump it into a container. And then I keep this in my shower, and you can use it on your body and your face. The benefits of using coffee as a scrub are pretty incredible. For one thing, it does what a scrub does, right? And it removes dead skin cells. It also reduces puffiness and inflammation in the skin. It helps to brighten and tighten the skin as well. I've read that some people say that it will reduce the appearance of cellulite. So like if you're using it on your legs, and what a lot of people do is they'll take this, scrub it on all over their body, and then leave it for 10 minutes. And then let it kind of do its goodness to your skin before rinsing it off. But you don't have to do that. You can just use it as a scrub to get rid of dead skin cells, and then rinse it off, and off you go on your way. So super easy thing. You can start using your own body scrub. Probably you have the stuff in your coffee maker right now if you didn't throw it away this morning. So I hope that this was helpful, and I hope I'll see you again on Busy Being Jen. If you're not a current subscriber, I'd love to have you do that. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye-bye.